Ever joined a Discord server with HD streaming, cool emojis, and a custom invite link? That's not magic, that's Discord server boosting. In this video, I'll explain what server boosting is, how it works, its levels, and whether it's worth it or not. Server boosting is a paid feature on Discord where users support a server using boost. When people boost a server, it unlocks extra perks for everyone in that server, or not just the booster. Each boost is basically a contribution that helps the server level up. Discord servers have 3 boost levels. Level 1 unlocks better audio quality, as you can see here. There are 3 levels. Level 1 unlocks better audio quality, more emoji slots, and a custom invite background. Level 2 adds HD screen sharing, more emojis, and higher audio quality. Level 3, the highest level, gives maximum audio quality, animated server banners, and the most emoji slots. The more boost a server gets, the higher the level. So how boosting works? Boosts come with Discord Nitro. Nitro users get 2 free boosts and extra boost can be bought monthly. You can boost any server you're part of and even change your boosted server later. Server boosting is worth it if you are active in a community and want better quality, more customization and premium features for everyone. So yes, that's Discord server boosting, simple, powerful and community driven. If you like this video, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.